Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soros Gold. So today I'm showing you how to you find the password of your gCMOB app. First of all, you open gCMOB app, then click click here. Okay, okay. Then click again device details. As you saw, device details. Then you click edit button. Here is that you click double click here. You see the actual password. Okay, I hope you find I hope it's help